Local news for Tuesday the 12th of December. Matamara's long-awaited Wāhinga Centre was officially opened yesterday, with the opening marking the culmination of the 6-year project to save the Old Town Hall and build a modern, multi-purpose community hub. It has been a joint partnership between the Wāhinga Charitable Trust and the South Wairarapa District Council, with Mayor Viv Napier saying the Wāhinga Centre is a building for the community, from the community. The first 7 days of December were busy for most merchants, as to be expected at this time of the year, but the annual growth rate was low. Wairarapa actually recorded a negative result, down 1% on the same period last year. Spending growth for the country over the weekend also remained low, with the impact of Black Friday sales that appear to have brought spending forward. For Ken Kendall Anzac Day, sculptures are being gifted to Aratoi with a function today that also celebrates a new book. Ken Kendall sculptured 2 of Masterton's leading pieces of public art, including Russian Jack in Library Square and Joseph Masters at Queen Elizabeth Park. And the Wairarapa under-15 cricket teams begin their tournaments today. It's good luck to the girls playing in Palmerston North and the boys in Levin.